Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the message box block in WordPress Nextr. This is part of a series of videos taking a look at Nextr's blocks one by one. To get started, let's go ahead and open a brand new blank page to look at this block on its own. Alright, before we continue any further, just a few housekeeping things. If this right-hand sidebar isn't here, there's this button over here called Settings beside the Publish button. Just click on that, and this is where all of our settings to toggle and configure for the block will show up. Next, let's give our page a title, just to keep things organized. And last but not least, let's add the block itself. On the top left corner here, we have this plus icon called Block Inserter, and we can either search for our block, or you can see Nextr block is over here. And all of these underneath will be the blocks for Nextr. But let's go ahead and search for it since I think it's kind of far down. And here we go, message box. Click on that or drag and drop it into your workspace. Now let's close that to give ourselves some more room to work with. And here we go. So this is a bit useful for like hooks or alerts or discounts and so on and so forth. And you can close it and dismiss it with the icon over here. So let's go ahead and start customizing it. So we have three tabs here. Let's start off with layout, and let's go with the first one. So we have title, right, as an example, and let's insert a description over here. Check out. And here we can enable or disable the icon, or we can put it left or right. And then we can also change which icon we have over here. Let's go ahead and change it to something like this. And then we can also open or show or hide the close icon and change it as well. Next, we can add a button, and we have a few different default styles. And that's about it. All right, put your button link over here. Now for style, for our title and our typography, it's just the same as every single text item here. We can customize our fonts over here. We can change our font sizes from here as well, our font types. Alternatively, we can also use global styles, right? So if we have our description over here, we have our global typography, title 2. We can change the text color from here as well. And it's same old padding and margins to adjust the spacing manually. And then for our main icon, we can change the icon size. We can change the icon width. Probably make this EM. And we can show or hide the arrow. We can change the icon color, so on and so forth. For the button, we can change the spacing. We can change the close icon color. Let's make this red or pink, I suppose. And for our background, let's change this up to be something a bit light but still readable. Okay, that's great. And for our advanced settings, we have our global styles, which are the same for every single Nextr block. Spacing, background, scroll animations to make it look interesting, our display conditions, our hard position settings, and our responsive settings to hide us on desktop, tablet, or mobile. And again, if you were going to use this as discount codes, you can enable display codes, display rules or display conditions, and show them to certain users only or certain conditions. So let's go ahead and click on Publish and take a look at how this looks like on our live site. Clicking on that takes us to our live site, and here we have our little message box area here, fresh discounts. Take me there, and it's not going to take us anywhere, of course. And you can close it and dismiss it and go about our day. So there you have the message box block in WordPress Nextr. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Hey, if you found this video helpful,
Be sure to check out one of our other videos, or go ahead and check out our channel and subscribe to see more content like this.